Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video today, I'll be showing you one of the best strategies that you can actually start using like right now to start scaling your profit in synthetic indices. Now, one of the best strategies that has helped me over time making money trading synthetic indices is zone trading. I will dive deep into zone trading, showing you exactly how the zone trading works. You understand? But before then, let me introduce myself. My name is Prince and I've been trading for the past 5 years. And this is my channel. So if you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to the channel and turn on bell notifications so you will be the first to get notified each time I drop an awesome video just like this one you're seeing. Now let's get right into it. Now, what is zone trading? When they say zone trading, what do they actually mean? Now, in simple terms, zone trading is all about major support and resistance zones, right? Now, these major support and resistance zones are actually zones that price respects so much in order for it to reverse from that particular level. Now, I am a swing trader and I've been a swing trader for the past 3 years. So I find it very, very easy to swing my trade because I don't have to stay focused on the market for too long, right? So in this video today, I'll be showing you practically exactly how zone trading works. And here you will discover that this is the weekly time frame, right? This is the weekly time frame on Volatility 25 index. So first of all, I will just pull out a single tool that will help me in order to draw lines or show you step by step exactly how zone trading works. Now, I use a very, very simple and well detailed software that is installed on my MT5, right? So previously, I've been doing this manually, like finding major support and resistance zones using price action. But when I discovered this software, I decided to stay with it and understand exactly how it works and the entire process, right? So in this video, I'll be walking you through every single thing that you need to know about zone trading, and in subsequent videos, you will be learning the full step-by-step zone trading strategy. So in order not to miss out, kindly subscribe to the channel. First thing first, you will discover that this here is Volatility 25 index weekly time frame. So the reason why I started this with the weekly time frame is because I'm a swing trader, and in my next video I'll be showing you how to do this using the day trading strategy, right? So this is for the swing trade. Now the first thing you will observe when you are here is you will observe a very simple, you will observe something very simple, like all of these other blocks, you observe something like this, all of these other blocks. Now, when trading zones, right, we only pick out what they call the major support and resistance, right? It is either price or it is either this tool or this software is giving you what they call a proven support zone or a verified support zone, or it is giving you a proven resistance zone or a verified resistance zone, right? But every single thing there should be on a higher time frame, provided you are swinging, right? It should be there for you at the higher time frame. Please take note of that. Now, once you're here, you should turn on what they call a support and resistance lines, which you can see on my screen, right? Now, when you turn on this support and resistance line, right, on the weekly time frame, you will discover that these lines here, this one here, all the red lines here are the support lines, right? While all of the green lines here, all these green lines are the resistance lines, right? So you just need to take note of these lines first of all. Once you take note of the lines, now you will discover that price came down to this other block here. It came all the way down to this other block, this blue other block, giving us what they call a proven support zone, right? giving us what they call a proven support zone right here, giving us what they call a proven support zone, which simply means price will not break out from this zone. It will not break out from this zone. Rather, it will start buying from here. The next thing we need to look out for is where exactly is our support line, right? Where exactly is our support line? Our support line, right, which is the red line, is supposed to stick together with the below the candlestick. It's supposed to stick below the candlestick. Now, let me show you an example of what I mean by sticking below the candlestick. Now, if I should draw an horizontal line, yeah, something like this, you will see exactly where that where these candles are. You will see this where these candles are. Can you see that? Right at that spot there, right? Right at that spot there. Now, we are not talking about this one now because this one here has already happened. Now, we are talking about these ones, right? Now, right there where the blue line is where we are supposed to we are supposed to have this support line here, this particular support line at that place right there. So this support line, this red line that is signifying our support line, should replace the blue line, the blue horizontal line I just dropped there, right? It should replace it. So at that spot right there, if we can't find our support line replacing this blue line right here, if we can't find it replacing that blue line right there, it simply means we are not going to take this trade. We are not going to take this trade on the weekly time frame. So we will need to head over to a smaller time frame. Now let me go down to a smaller time frame. Let me go down to the next time frame, which is our daily time frame, right? So I will just go back here. Now, this is our daily time frame here. This is our daily time frame. Now, on our daily time frame, if you look very well, you will discover that this is where price is, right? Now, this is our support line. Let me move this a little bit. Now, this here is the horizontal line I drew. This is the horizontal line I drew, right? This here is the horizontal line I drew. Now, this is our support line. All the red lines are just our support lines, right? Now, the green lines are our resistance line, right? So, we're supposed to have this support line replacing this blue horizontal line right there, right? So, since we can't find our support line replacing the blue horizontal line, right, then it simply means we can't take this trade. So we will need to move to the next time frame, which is our H8, right? Then inside our H8 right here, let me move this again so it will be more friendly to see. Now, inside our H8 right here, you will discover that price came back here. You see? Now you will discover that our H8 time frame and the support line is exactly where we want it to be, right? It's exactly where we want it to be. Now, all I need to do is very simple. I will just go ahead and take out our support line. Our horizontal line. Simple. Now, as soon as I take out the horizontal line, which is that blue line I just deleted, now you will discover that price came back here all the way to this spot. Can you see that? Price came back here. Now, as soon as price came back there, all we need to do is wait for a very simple rejection. Either a rejection candle or an engulfing candle or any other candle showing us a continuation, giving us a buy or a continuation process of the market going up. Now, let me show you an example. Let me just make this a bit bigger so you can see exactly what I'm trying to explain here. Good. Now, this is exactly what I'm trying to say. You see price coming back to this zone right at that support line right there. As soon as we'll get that line retested right here. As soon as we just got it retested, we started seeing what they call a massive buy to the upside. Remember, we are only focusing on our major support zone, right? Our major support zone which this tool, right? If I take out this, which this tool has already given us what they call the verified support, and here it is also giving us a proven support, right? Now, this either a verified support or a proven support is exactly what we are looking for in order to buy this market, right? In order to buy this market, either a verified support or a proven support is exactly what we are looking for. Now, you can see as soon as price came back to this zone here, you can see the buy going up all the way to the top, all the way to the top like this. It also came back to this spot, which is our proven support, which is our proven support. Can you see that? Still giving us a buy all the way to the top, all the way to the top. So, what is this explanation all about? If you have been trading synthetic for a while, you will discover that synthetic works way more on the higher time frame. Synthetic indices works way more on the higher time frame. So, in order for you to capture, or in order for you to start making money from synthetic indices, right, you will need to stay a little bit longer in the market. Now, staying a little bit longer in the market will enable you make more profit with synthetic indices. And the only way you can do that is understanding exactly where the market is going, is understanding exactly where you should see that one particular trend that is moving up, that is going to give you that particular profit that you're looking for, is exactly what you should be looking out for. Now, if you install this tool, right? If you install this tool on your PC, something you might be doing with a very okay. Take for instance, if you have been trading price action for a while, you are seeing a very plain chart, right? A very plain chart with no tools, no softwares, no indicators, nothing. The process whereby you will find this trend going up for a longer period of time, like this 1 week up here, this one, from here all the way to the top, for a longer period of time, it is very slim. Now, what I mean by very slim is that it will take you a little longer time in order for you to analyze the market and hold it from here to here. But with this tool, with this particular tool you're seeing on my screen here, or with this particular software you're seeing on my screen, it makes it easier for you to find these zones, and it makes it easier for you to know exactly what you're looking for. You understand? It makes it easier for you to know what you're looking for. Not you jumping into the market every single time and get your stop loss hit every time you enter. Now, you now know exactly what you're looking for. You now know you are looking for a verified resistance zone and also a verified or a proven support zone. Now, these two zones are what you are looking for. Zone trading is one of the best and one of the most reliable trading strategy you will ever need to start profiting from synthetic indices. Now, not just from synthetic indices, right? Not just from synthetic indices. So, it also works on Forex. Like this here is gold. And you can see we have GDP USD, Euro USD, and even we also have BTC. Now, this is the same strategy and it works every single time. All you need to do is find these levels. You can see this is the weekly time frame for gold. This is the weekly time frame for gold. I said earlier about volatility 25. You can see price didn't get to this level. You can see this is where it just came to and decided to start buying. That is where it just came there and decided to start buying all the way to the top. So what we should do, go to the next time frame, which is the daily time frame, looking for the exact same place where price came back to that zone, like respected that zone. Now you can see this is the exact same place, but we can't find a verified support. We can't find a verified support, but price is sitting on a support line. Can you just see? Can you see? It is sitting on a support line. So if we find this on the daily time frame, price sitting on this support line right there. So price sitting on this support line is what we should be looking for. You can see how price just went straight to that support line right there, just sat on it. The moment price sat on that support line, we have this rejection right there. We have this rejection. So we just have that rejection right there. We just have this rejection here. Then price started buying all the way to the top. So you can see why we are always swinging. This is the reason why I'm always on the swing. You can see that rejection there. Then boom. Now imagine buying from here, right? Imagine looking for a buy all the way from this point here, or let's say from here. Imagine looking for a buy all the way from here on a smaller time frame. Let's say from 15 minutes time frame. Imagine looking for a buy all the way from there. It's crazy when you can understand zone trading. Mind blowing, like it's mind blowing. Seriously, when you can understand zone trading, it will take you places. Like it will take a very small account. It will skyrocket a very small account. Like you will just keep asking yourself, like, wow, like is this really happening? That's exactly how zone trading works. You just need to understand exactly how it works, or probably get the tool. Now you can see, as soon as this happened, price started moving all the way to the top. Let's say this here was your entry for a buy. On the 15 minutes time frame, right? Then you decided to hold that entry all the way to, like, this is the entry, all the way up here. It's massive, like it's way more. If you understand this, believe me, you are going to make money. It works on every single market out there. So keep winning, keep trading. All you need to do, if you want to learn exactly how to trade synthetic indices using the zone trading strategy, right? If you want to learn, all you need to do is follow me on this channel, right? Just subscribe to the channel, because every Saturday there will be a live webinar or a live trading classes where every single one of you, all my subscribers, will learn exactly how to trade zones. If I mean zones, I mean major support and resistance zones, right? If you really want to learn, or if you really want to take your trading career to the next level in 2025, then this channel should be your number one priority. All you need to do is subscribe, follow on every single video, then believe me, you will be on your way to profitability. See you on my next video. Peace.